This genius business strategy made Sahil bloom $10 million just from Twitter. I'm about to expose his business model and the genius strategy he doesn't want you to know. Be sure, we'll leave no stone unturned. You will find the entire business model sketched out in the first link in the description down below. Just enter your email and get access to every business model from the entire Business Exposed series. Let's get on with the video. What you're seeing right here is the simple yet efficient business model of Sahil Bloom. Let's dive in. Okay, so it all begins with him making content on different platforms. He's starting with a classic social funnel of producing short form content in which editors of his repurpose his podcast or interviews into reels, TikToks, shorts, and I assume also his tweets and threads. Okay. If he has gotten the attention via short form content, he then converts people into watching longer form content of his. This includes writing his newsletters, the Curiosity Chronicle, in which he turns strangers into fans, his podcasts and interviews he does with other celebrities to enhance his audience and get eyeballs from unknown audiences on his content and turn them into new subscribers and raving fans. And also YouTube videos. Most of the podcasts are filmed and then uploaded on YouTube as well to get more attention overall. So it all boils down essentially into audience building. Okay, but then we have a really interesting strategy that has no other creator yet leveraged to make a shit ton of money, which is Amazon's expense to profit scenario. So imagine a creator has to do a lot of work. They have to ideate, they have to edit the videos, they have to animate videos, they have to get visuals for their brand, they have to get a brand strategy, they have to design brand assets, and so on and so forth. So Sahil has realized that this is a huge problem which he can solve, and he has this problem for himself. Amazon had a similar problem. They needed more internet power, to say it simple, and so they launched a service called AWS, Amazon Web Services, in which they sold the internet power, which they partially used themselves, but everything that was left over they sold to other companies and individuals. And Sahil is doing the exact same thing. Sahil has started a portfolio of productized service companies. We can have a look at a few of them. One of them is, for example, HeyFriends.studio, and another one would be Bite-size.design. And these are productized services that offer one service for a simple monthly subscription. HeyFriends.studio, for example, helps YouTubers come up with a content strategy and monetize their audience. They help you unlock effortless YouTube growth with your own world-class content team for a simple flat fee every single month. And Bite-sized, on the other hand, is the exact same concept, but another service. They help you design assets and everything you could wish for a personal brand. Then you have another one like Viral Cuts. They edit your short form contents. Keyframe.design. They help you make animations for your short form videos, and so on and so forth. So he's leveraged this not only for himself, but he sells everything as a service that he's not actually using, just like Amazon with AWS. How is this possible, you might ask? Well, Sahil is joining forces with renowned and experienced creators in the field. For example, his Hey Friends project he started with Ali Abdaal, which you can see him right here, a well-known and famous YouTuber who has a lot of experience in the niche of growing and scaling YouTube channels. And this concept is the case for every other productized service he started as well. He's always collaborating with someone else to leverage their expertise and knowledge on a certain topic, and then builds a brand and software and product around this. Okay, how is it possible? Well, he hires the people who have the knowledge in the field and then builds companies that work entirely passive without him doing anything. That leads to his passive income. The content value node right here comes from, the content volume node comes from his content himself, because if he's making content and people get attracted and they say, oh my god, this is such a great short form video, how do you edit that, and so on, he can always refer to his own portfolio of services. which then these people become leads and make him more money. And his passive income, he then again can leverage to start more of these kinds of services. And this is a never-ending flywheel, making Sahil the great and smart creator and businessman that he is.